Good morning. I didn't know how I was going to break the ice, but I want to let Eric know that this presentation has two options. Option 1, 30 minutes. Option 2, 5 minutes. So I'm going to go with option 2, try to get us ahead of schedule. So the presentation is on the cost savings for the corridor analysis in the Odessa district. We've had actually 2 corridor analyses done for the Odessa district, one on Interstate 20 and one on Interstate 10. On Interstate 20, we've had 2 projects completed in the Midland area and one that is currently under construction on the I-10 corridor in Fort Stockton area. This is 51477 in Midland County. This project is approximately 14.5 miles long and had an estimated construction cost of $10.5 million. On this one, we milled and filled 1.5 inches in the passing lane compared to 3.5 inches on the travel lanes. That was one of the options from the corridor analysis study. The way I calculated the cost was just taking the price of the mix and multiplying it by the amount of the mix that wasn't used in the passing lanes, which was 2 inches. The cost savings were approximately $2.2 million, which came out to be around 20%. Just want to throw in some pics here on the project. It's performing well, and it looks good. We just have a lot of truck traffic out there. Just want to let you know that it seemed like every picture that I took, there was heavy truck traffic, oil field traffic out there. The other completed project is 51478, and this one's 5.5 miles long, and the estimated construction was $2 million. For this one, we used the same design, and they were close together, so it was the same previous design, and the difference was the price of the mix. And for this one, the estimated construction savings was $800,000, and it came out to about 26% savings. This one was started at the Midland County line and went 5.5 miles east. And again, just another pic, and to show the truck traffic and some of that green stuff out there. We have some green grass out there too in West Texas, not just dirt. Under construction, we have on Interstate 10, we have one project, approximately 9 miles long. It is estimated construction cost is going to be $6.5 million. But for this one, we went against, or not against, but we didn't go with the recommended options from TTI. We've had some sections of Interstate 10 that are performing well with just seal coats on top of base. We have those over 30 years in our district, and we feel pretty comfortable that using a 3-course surface treatment would get us the performance that we wanted. So only time will tell, if we made the right decision, how much money we saved on this project. Again, I want to just let you know that the Odessa district was very happy with Tom Scullion and his team, TTI, coming out there. He brings a wealth of knowledge from across the state, from all projects that he's been on. His options allow for district's input to tailor make it for your district, so we were happy about that. And he doesn't try to say use super pave, use SMA. He uses keywords such as use a quality mix. So just to show how the process works, your district can nominate the corridor, nominates the project director, Carolyn Heinen, and if approved, TTI is contacted to develop a work plan. Construction division then assigns a contact. The project director issues a notice to proceed. Work is performed in joint effort with TTI and TxDOT, and then the results are presented to the district. Some of the non-destructive, again, just like the previous presentation, GPR and FWD. And just to go summarize some of the major steps in the analysis, they conduct a full GPR survey. They meet with district personnel. They plan and execute an FWD and sampling program. They also conduct any laboratory testing that's required, and then analyze the data. They present the results to the district. The district has a chance to review the results and recommendations. They then prepare a 10-year plan for each project that was identified. They recommend the best rehab option for each project. They summarize all the information. They supply the district with the data. And then again, they provide excellent follow-up support. Tom's real good about answering calls and helping out with, any information, any follow-up meetings, slides, in case you have a presentation, a short course, et cetera, et cetera. So with that, I just want to thank everyone that was involved. Thank you for coming out today. Caroline Heinen, Dar Hao Chen, Tom Scully and TTI, Casey Evans, Mike McIntyre for making this happen. We really see a value in this product, the corridor analysis. You can use it, to refer if you are prioritizing projects, for construction. And again, any questions? Not even know this picture. Just want to show you this picture because that's the typical backyard in West Texas now. I thought you were just waving at me. I was like, yeah, I'm done.
Hey, on the job where you did the fill and fill with the hot mix, I just wondered what type of hot mix?
On that one, was we used a super pay.
Can you repeat the question?
Oh, the question, yeah. The question was what type of hot mix that we use on the one where we milled and filled. Type of hot mix that we used was Super Pave D. PG 70 minus 22. Yeah, we used a cam. The option had a cam in there on the bottom, so we used a cam to attenuate all the cracks. All right, thank you.